Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Recently OnePlus 13 received an update of somewhere around 400 MB and this update fixed almost every issue which I mentioned in my previous review video. It's a short video in which I'll talk about the battery backup, performance part and other thing. But before that, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. And also guys, I'm testing OnePlus 13s right now. If you guys want me to test out something particular, do let me know in the comment section below. Mostly tomorrow I'll drop the review of OnePlus 13s. And I know many users are waiting for the July update for OnePlus 13 series. So July update is coming very soon. I've already tweeted about it. In China, they have already started rolling out ColorOS 13 with the July security patch. And it brings similar changes like the custom fingerprint animations and other stuff which recently OnePlus 15 have received. So mostly this week we'll be receiving the OTA update of OxygenOS 16.1 with July security patch. Talking about this current update, basically it was a SOTA update. Generally SOTA update doesn't bring much of improvements in the system, but after using this device as a primary phone, OnePlus actually improved a lot of things. So this was the update which you can see. Update size was 402 MB. And if you take a look at the changelogs, it says improved system stability. Other than that, we did not see any kind of changes here on OnePlus 13. Update size was quite large, so I thought to test out device thoroughly. And I used the device as my primary phone. So first, let me talk about the battery backup. If you guys remember, in my previous video, I did mention about the battery backup which was not that good on my OnePlus 13. This was the battery backup which I was getting somewhere around 5 hours of screen on time on the previous build, and that too with the normal usage. But if I show you here on this latest build, this is the screen on time, where you can see I'm getting 6 hours and 37 minutes. And this was not basic usage, guys. If I show you the app usage, I had done a lot of testing during this time, which includes CPU throttling test, N2 benchmark, and even benchmark testing like wildlife extreme stress test. And I can confidently say that they have improved the battery backup on this latest build. But one thing which I noticed here, the overnight battery drain was slightly higher. On the previous build, it was only 2%, but here if you see, it's around 4%. I left the device idle at around 1 AM in the morning, and when I woke up at around 7:34, the battery percentage was 19%. So overnight 3% of battery drain I have noticed. And another thing, now device doesn't heat up much compared to the previous build wherein I'd mentioned that device heats up even while using it normally. But here I did test out the device while charging also, I did not notice much of heating issue. And about the performance part also, performance got a decent boost. Let me show you the benchmark scores here. So here if you see, this was the latest test which we performed yesterday after updating the device, wherein single core scores are 2961 and multi-core scores are 9184. If you take a look at the scores of previous build, their single core scores were 2899 and multi-core scores were 8960. So slight improvements can be seen here in the Geek Benchmark application. About the N2 benchmark application, so on this latest build you can see a device scored 24 lakh. And if I show you the scores of previous build, their device had scored 23 lakhs. So almost a difference of 1 lakh. And even with the wildlife extreme stress test, previously the stability scores were 70.8 and on this latest build, the stability scores are 74.5. So there are actual improvements done by OnePlus for your OnePlus 13 when it comes to battery backup and performance part. So I would say it's a good to go update, and if you guys haven't received the update, you can check it in the RC section. If it's available over there, you can download that update and let me know if you guys face any issues or if you observe any improvements, that also share in the comment section below. So this was a quick update to talk about the improvements done on OnePlus 13 with the latest update.
Go, 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 go.